when you're doing a water softener, you have to have a loop.
You don't have to.
Okay, explain that, what the loop is.
Okay, so homes nowadays are built with a water softener loop. So that loop creates a soft water loop in the home that goes to every single fixture in the house, except for the kitchen cold. When you do not have a water softener loop, we can create one. Essentially, you're going where the water source comes into the home, and you're connecting into the city water there, putting it to the water softener, and then tying it back in to where the water ties into the house. Now, the only disadvantage with that is that means everything's on soft water, and that includes a faucet on the back patio, or if you have a refill on your pool. You just have to be aware of go ahead.
That's not going to hurt anything. Nope. It just adds cost to that water use out there.
Exactly. You're going to use more soft water, so just be aware of that. The advantage with that side, though, is now your kitchen cold is on soft water, so now you're hand washing with complete 100% soft water.
And a lot of times they'll leave a water softening line, because this is done after the irrigation.
Correct.
So the irrigation comes off
first.
We tap in after that.
Yes.
But there's you can have a hose bib put out through the garage so you can wash your car.
Correct.
With softened water.
Even when you have a water softener loop, we put a soft water hose bib at that loop. So somebody can tie a hose to it and wheel it out outside of the garage, and they can wash their car with it.
Or your windows. You would much prefer to wash your windows with that water than the city water.
Yes, you can.